Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to enable and create templates in Gmail using Google Workspace for Business. This feature is incredibly useful for streamlining repetitive emails, allowing you and your team to save time on common responses and maintain consistency across communications. First, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to the Google Admin Console by typing admin.google.com into your address bar. Once you're there, sign in using your Google Workspace administrator account. This access is essential as only administrators can enable template features for organizational units. After signing in, you'll land on the Admin Console homepage. Look toward the top right corner of your screen where you'll see a 9-dot icon, often called the App Launcher. Click on this icon and search for Gmail in the menu that appears. Selecting Gmail will take you directly to the Gmail settings area where you can configure features for your organization. Once you're in the Gmail settings page, scroll down until you find the option that says See All Settings and click on it. This opens up the full range of configuration options available for Gmail within your workspace. Now navigate to the top section of this page and look for a tab labeled Advanced. Click on this tab to access more specialized features. Within the Advanced Settings section, locate the Templates feature. You'll see either a toggle switch or checkbox that allows you to enable this functionality. Make sure to turn it on for the organizational units where you want templates available. This step is crucial as it unlocks the template capability for your users. Once you've enabled templates, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save or Save Changes to apply these settings. This ensures that the template feature is now active across your chosen user groups. Now let's create your first template. Click Compose to open a new message window. Here, you'll enter the content you want to save as a template, including both the subject line and email body. Once your template content is ready, click the 3 dots in the bottom right corner of the Compose window. Hover over Templates, then click Save Draft as Template. Choose Save as New Template, provide a descriptive name for easy identification later, and click Save. Using your template is simple. In any new Compose window, click those same 3 dots in the bottom right corner, hover over Templates, and select your desired template. The saved content will instantly populate your message, ready for any final personalization before sending. If you need to manage your templates later, just open a Compose window, insert the template you want to modify, make your changes, and save it again through the Templates menu. You can either overwrite the existing template or save it as a new one. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.